Numens 300-001 detector head removal tool is to remove and reinstall detectors that are out of reach from normally occupied areas. Following are components. Detector head clasp, to clasp the head of the detector. Extension rods, up to 3.2 meter to meet more customers' requirement. Controller rod. Battery charger. Flashlight, powered separately, illuminates the poorly lit areas. Flashlight clamp. Clasp pins, used to securely hold the detector head, especially for irregular shapes. Cradle depth adjustment screw. Before using, please note, before using the detector head removal tool for the first time, charge the battery for at least 8 hours. The LED charging indicator changes from red to green when the battery is fully charged. Firstly, following preparation is optional for customers' requirement. First part, depending on the height of the detector, optionally install and adjust the cradle depth adjustment screw for the approximate detector head depth. Second part, depending on the height of the installation place, connect the controller/extension rod and the detector head clasp. Third part, depending on the shape of the detector, optionally fit the clasp pins to the detector head clasp arms and adjust the clasp pins so they will engage with the body of the detector head. Note: in the process of use, the clasp pin can strengthen the clamping and rotation of the detector and can be selected according to the shape of the detector. When ambient light is inadequate, attach the flashlight to the clamp to provide additional lighting. After assembling, introduce you how to operate. First step, turn on the power by pressing the on button of controller rod. The blue power LED turn on. Second step, press the open button on the controller rod to open the clasp and make it cover the detector. The detector head clasp opening diameter range is 7.5 to 13 centimeters. Third step, press the close button on the controller rod to make the detector head clasp snap onto the detector. Fourth step, turn the tool counterclockwise to separate the detector from the base. After testing or maintenance of the detector, turn the tool clockwise to mount the detector on the base. Fifth step, after using, turn off the power button to cut off the power.